Good morning, morena, ata marie. Right, we're going to do this song, Rere Atu. All right, so we'll go over the words. You have to repeat after me, all right? Rere means yes, fly. Rere Atu means fly away, all right? So can you repeat after me? Rere Atu. Rere mai. Fly back to me. Taku poi, my poi. Rere mai, flying toward me. Rere runga, flying up. Rere raro, flying down. Rere tika e, flying for truth. All right? Okay, here we go. Oops, I dropped my little... Can't drop that. Okay, here we go. Rere atu toru fa. Rere atu rere mai. Taku poi rere mai. Rere ronga rere raro rere tika e. Rere tika e. Hang on, I've got to go and get me a poi. Oh, hang on, I'll use my socks, okay? I'll just take my socks off so that you guys can do that. Look at this. I've got my socks on because it's kind of cold today. Right, there you go. One sock inside another sock. You should use clean socks, but Lou's just doing it this way, all right? One sock in another sock. You can make sock puppets. Okay, right. So there's your poi. And we go. Rere atu rere mai. Taku poi rere mai. Rere runga rere raro rere tika e. Rere tika e. All right? Right, I'm going to put my socks back on because you know what? It's freezing. It's Kate Makariri. Very cold. Put my socks back on, see? Sockies back on. All right, we're going to do that song one more time, okay? And remember, when you do the poi, you have to do the poi to the rhythm. So I'm not singing fast. You won't be doing it really fast. You've got to do it to the rhythm, all right? Here we go. Rere atu toru fa. Rere atu rere mai. Taku poi rere mai. Rere runga rere raro rere tika e. Rere tika e. Ka kite anō mā te wai. What do you say to me? Ka kite anō Lou. Bye.